Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the June Keys Penguin Habitat. We just got done finishing our feeding our penguins. We're going to see if anyone else wants to eat on this rainy Saturday. Above you, if you're wondering what kind of bird that was that just pooped almost on top of our heads, that is a juvenile great blue heron. You can see the penguins are kind of on alert because of that. It's a large bird. And these guys are a prey species, so they're very aware of their surroundings. We're starting their yearly migration right now. Magellanic penguins go through about a 4 to 5 month migration in their natural habitat, where they rarely, if at all, come on land. And they forage for fish and krill and squid off of the coasts of South America. We're going to see if anybody else is interested in eating, but we'll be out here for a few more minutes. And in about 25 minutes, we're actually going to have an enrichment session for these guys. Enrichment is something that can stimulate their mentally, physically, or help with animal husbandry or health care. If you're just joining us, welcome to the June Keys Penguin Habitat. We just finished up a feed. Our birds get restaurant quality sustainable herring and capelin. They do prefer herring. It's a little bit more tasty to them. It has more calories. But you're looking at Magellanic penguins. They're native to South America, Chile, and Argentina. 4 of our birds, Robbie, Roxy, Kate, and Avery, were all rescued from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. There was a mass stranding of Magellanic penguins. They're not quite sure why. Maybe because of low food supply. They tried to follow the food, and they ended up kind of making a U-turn and ending up in Brazil. They were deemed unreleasable, meaning they just weren't healthy enough to be able to be rehabilitated and brought back to their natural habitat. So the Aquarium of the Pacific was lucky enough to be able to take those birds on, build a habitat, and now we have 23 Magellanic penguins. But those Brazilian rescue birds are part of a breeding plan, a species survival plan, or SSP. So genetically, they represent different genes being from their natural habitat. One of those birds, Roxy, paired up with Floyd, and they have had 7 chicks. We've had 13 hatch here, and 7 of them came to us from Roxy and Floyd. One of them is actually on deck right now. This is her right here. And this beautiful chick, this is Kate and Avery's 3rd chick. Kate and Avery are both Brazilian rescue birds. So genetically, this chick's bringing some genetics to represent the Brazilian rescue birds.